The history of the computer started from a simple device called abacus. The abacus was the first mechanical calculating device. It was used to perform addition and subtraction easily and speedily. This device was first developed by the Egyptians in the 10th century BC, but it was given its final shape in the 12th century AD by the Chinese. As necessity demanded, inventors created better calculating devices. John Napier of Scotland invented a calculating device in 1617 called the Napier bones. Napier used bone rods for the device's counting purpose. Numbers were printed on these rods. The device was used for multiplying, dividing, and taking square roots and cube roots. In 1642, Blaise Pascal, a French scientist, invented an adding machine called Pascal's calculator. It made use of gears to represent the position of digits. In 1833, Charles Babbage, a scientist from England, invented the analytical engine, a device that could keep data secure. This device was considered as the first mechanical computer. It included a feature that is used in today's computer language. For this great invention of the computer, Charles Babbage is considered as the father of today's modern computer. As time passed, the demand increased for more efficient and reliable computers that could perform work more quickly. In 1946, the first successful electronic computer called ENIAC was developed, and it was the starting point of the current generation of computer. In the first generation computers, as in ENIAC, vacuum tubes were used. As a computer component, vacuum tubes proved inefficient and very hard to work with. It required a very large cooling system in order for the computer to work properly. This problem was addressed by the second generation computers. With the invention of transistors, the second generation computers were born. Transistors were used as electronic components instead of vacuum tubes. Because a transistor is much smaller than a vacuum tube, this paved way for the second generation computers to become smaller compared with the first generation computers. However, a much better improvement on transistors was introduced, which were called integrated circuits. This introduced a new generation of computers. The computers which we see around us, the personal computer, belong to the fourth generation computers. The microprocessor is the main technology behind this generation of computer. A microprocessor is a single chip which is used in a computer for any arithmetical or logical function to be performed in any program. Ted Hoff, an American electrical engineer, developed the first microprocessor, the Intel 4004, while working for Intel Corporation. With the use of microprocessor in the fourth generation computers, computers become very fast and efficient. Combined with the concept of artificial intelligence, a new generation of computer was developed. Fifth generation computers are those that possess artificial intelligence, or the ability of a machine to exhibit intelligence by means of learning on its own. Artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines by imitating human characteristic and behavior. Some applications for fifth generation computers include robots that can interact with humans.